TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. In this video, I have 6 different job leads. All are non-phone, no talking on the phone needed. Most of them require absolutely no college degree. They're all either answering emails or doing typing data entry type work. We are going to dive all in, but before we do, I just ask that if you enjoy job lead videos like this, please give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me direct feedback that these are being helpful. Please always feel free to leave anything specific down below in the comments that you're looking for. I know most people are looking for non-phone jobs. That's why I keep trying to put out more non-phone jobs than customer service. But if you enjoy customer service, let me know down below as well. And of course, always share these videos with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. Now, all the pages I share are directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video, and I'll do my best to remember to add in the timestamps in the description box as well. But first up, we have the company iHerb. iHerb has 656 reviews on Glassdoor from current and past employees, and they have an employee satisfaction rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a customer service specialist remote for the United States. Now, not all customer service jobs are on the phone, and this one is not. They're looking for somebody to basically serve as the primary person for addressing any company customer concerns and product-related questions and order status. But you're going to engage with these customers through various communication channels such as email, chat, and social media. So you'll be answering those emails and answering those social media messages and comments. So completely non-phone. You're going to collaborate with the warehouse and logistics partners to resolve any inquiries and manage exceptions. You'll provide prompt responses to all customer inquiries, gathering all related information to effectively address and manage their complaints or issues, managing customer accounts, making sure that you document all of your interactions and all of the actions that you took to resolve the customer issue. Now, no college degree is needed for this position, just a high school diploma or GED. They want somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of customer service or contact center environment. You do need to know how to use those Microsoft Office tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint and be able to type 40 words per minute. Other than that, they want somebody who is positive, professional, great communication skills, and great attention to detail. Now, you do have to scroll down a little bit, but pay for this position is anywhere from $22.28 an hour all the way up to $25.32 an hour. So you can literally make $25 an hour sitting at home in your pajamas answering emails. Next up, we have the company Guaranteed Rate. Now, Guaranteed Rate has 2,000 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.0 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring what they call a quality control specialist. Now, real quickly, one thing I want to note about this job, the top link for this job in the YouTube description box should bring you directly to this page, but sometimes you may have to refresh it. It has some loading issues. So the second link, if the first one is not working for you, goes to their main career page where it's going to list all of their different job titles, and you'll just be looking for the one that says quality control specialist. Right now they only have 4 or 5 jobs open, so it shouldn't be that hard to find. But Guaranteed Rate is a lender in mortgage company. They're in a financial services field, and they're looking for somebody to be responsible for rekeying key borrower and loan file components. So you're going to do verification of employment income, verification of deposit, CPA letters, tax returns, gift letters, verification of rent, verification of mortgage. You're going to key all of these into the system. So it is basic data entry. They're looking for somebody who has mortgage documentation knowledge, good with those Microsoft Office, including Excel, someone who has great time management skills, and they are paying anywhere from $35,000 to $40,000 a year. Next up, we have the company Seamless AI. Seamless AI has 319 reviews on Glassdoor with a 3.3 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a technical support specialist. Now, this again is remote remote for the United States only. All of these positions are going to be for the United States only. I've seen a lot of comments recently. I try to make sure in every video that I verbalize these are for the United States only or what countries they hire from, but I've still seen a lot of comments asking if other countries can apply. So I'm just trying to make sure everyone is aware. You can only apply if you live and can validly work in the United States. But Seamless AI is looking for someone to provide that technical customer support 100% remotely through email, chat, and any other communication methods as needed. So this again is going to be responding to those emails or online chats. You're going to provide support and guidance to marketers, salespeople, and service professionals across their customer base that use their AI platform. You'll communicate thoughtfully, customize those solutions to the customers, move forward with growing the business. Now, they're looking for someone who is passionate about customer service and has previous experience either responding to emails or live chats, someone who can troubleshoot and further investigate technical issues, so you're a technical person, someone who can take full ownership of a problem and see it through to resolution, and someone who is great at learning new software. You also have to have great communication skills. Now, unfortunately, I did not see pay listed for this position. Just a reminder, I don't work for any of these companies. I just simply share what I find online, trying to help you find the best work from home job for you. I don't have any additional information outside of what is posted, so salary will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Keeping this video moving, next up we have the company Bold Business. Bold Business only has 30 reviews on Glassdoor, so please always read the reviews and do your own research on any company before giving them your personal information. I do my best to weed out any scams, but I am only human. So they do have a 3.5 out of 5-star rating of those 30 reviews. They're looking for a data entry agent. This is remote. They're looking for somebody to join their data enrichment team to support the execution of licensing in the healthcare field for their clients. You'll be responsible for reviewing and completing enrichment tasks defined and trained by the client. Your primary work will be data entry, vendor resource verifications, board certifications, and following up on any state board statuses. Now, unfortunately, they don't really list what they're looking for, and they don't list salary. However, I did do a little bit of research as far as salary goals since people did review them on Bold Business for Glassdoor. Multiple people have said they've been a data entry clerk, and they look like the 3 different people submitted their salary for this one, and they said they made anywhere from $37,000 to $39,000 a year. If you scroll down a little bit, here's another person who submitted their salary, and they said they made $38,000 to $40,000 a year, and then another one said $40,000 to $42,000. So it looks like you can expect probably between $37,000 to $40,000 a year. Now, if you're interested in part-time work just to make a little bit of extra money, ModSquad is hiring an engagement moderator. Now, one thing to note about ModSquad, they partner with bigger companies and they do the hiring and outsourcing for those bigger companies for small projects where these companies don't really need a full-time person. So these are going to be temporary projects and part-time projects, but it's somehow a way to make extra money and work around another full-time job. This one specifically, they're looking for somebody to work primarily late night shifts, 10 hours per week for 3 months. But they want somebody to help provide social media engagement on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, as well as the game's dedicated Discord server. So you're going to be specifically working for a online game. As an engagement moderator, you're going to interact with the community with your excellent writing skills, looking for those who can be engaged in the experience and have a love for gaming. They're looking for someone who can be an English speaker, has social media experience, and can write custom responses using proper grammar and spelling. Of course, you do have to have your own computer, and it looks like you have to have a specific graphics card or higher. Because of the game, I don't know what that is all about. You'll have to ask them for specifics for that. All right, if you've made it this far in the video and enjoy non-phone job leads, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button. That does give me that direct feedback. But last but not least, we have the company Reynolds Reynolds hiring a chat specialist. Now, this is going to be online chat, completely non-phone customer service again. I do want to go ahead and note this one is for the state of Tennessee only. But they're looking for somebody to handle a wide variety of customer inquiries through that online chat. You'll provide accurate information about Reynolds Reynolds products and services to the customers through chat, narrow down on appointment information, and help schedule those customer appointments, capturing the customer contact information and all of that. And of course, you'll document and summarize your interactions based on the customer's needs. They are looking for somebody who has previous experience in some kind of a retail customer service or the automotive industry, someone who can handle basic internet and Windows computer systems, someone who can be a multitasker and have great communication skills. Now, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, it does say that you have to have your own computer set up, and they are going to train you. Training is remote, but salary is only $13 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.